The Samsung Galaxy J4, a super budget plastic device which has no water resistance or IP rating with a removable back cover. Let's first check the layer of oleophobic coating on this unnamed glass. Apart from preventing fingerprint smudges, water tends to get repulsed by the oleophobic coating instead of sticking to the glass, thereby giving it a certain degree of water resistance in an otherwise non-water resistant phone. After this round, we will proceed to light splashing, and if it survives, continue to heavy drenching. Every phone reacts differently to water, with the most common effect being low distorted audio via the external speakers, and a few cases of random reboots, screen flickering issues, and the screen not functioning for 14 hours on the recently tested Redmi Y2, which had failed the test. So let's find out what happens with the Galaxy J4. At this point, the water had made absolutely no difference to the audio via the external speakers, so continuing with the test. This has been an almost unbelievable test, considering the fact that the J4 had totally failed the bend test, but passes the water test with flying colors, even though water had seeped inside the phone through the removable back cover without damaging any hardware functions. And the 20% reduction in volume had recovered to normal within 2 hours. This plastic Samsung Galaxy J4 is not splash resistant, but it did behave like an IP54 rated device. Stay tuned to catch more videos on latest devices. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.
I feel like I'm on Mars in this hot summer air.